Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the lid lock and harness on your GE washer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit, a putty knife, a utility knife blade, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Move the tub forward to make it easier to reach the bezel. As soon as you feel the tabs to the bezel, push them outward, then push up to free it. Then repeat the same action for the other side. Use the putty knife to depress the tab and slide the lid lock free from the top. Unthread the 2 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull the panel out from the bottom and slide it to the right to free it from the backsplash. Slide the backsplash back and tilt forward. Unplug the lid switch harness. Carefully slide the capacitor to the left. Now remove the 2 1/4-inch screws. Use the pliers to slide the 2 retaining clips into the washer. Pinch the harness retaining clip and push it into the washer. Insert the putty knife approximately 8.5 inches from the edge on both sides and press in firmly to release the spring clips from the panel. Lift the top slightly and slide the harness retainer out. Then slide the lid to the side for easy access to the retaining clips. Use the utility blade to undo the 2 retaining clips. To install the new lid lock and harness, run the plug end of the harness through the top. Insert the 2 harness retaining clips. Tuck the harness into the inner lip while snapping the 2 retaining clips along the edge of the top. Slide and snap the lock into position. Slide the top panel over and reinsert the harness retainer. Plug in the wire harness. Align and firmly press down on the front of the top to secure it in place. Rethread the 2 1/4-inch screws. slide the capacitor back into its groove. Tilt the backsplash upright and insert the tabs into the slots. Push forward to lock it in place. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the backsplash, then slide it left to secure it. Rethread the 2 screws. Locate the tab on the bezel and place the ears of the bezel into the slots and snap into position. Plug in the washer. And your washer should be ready for use.